everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to our channel below. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to make millions of dollars just by investing it into the startup. So basically, today's video is going to be about angel investors. Over the last couple of decades, angel investing has become more serious from a finance and the most rewarding asset class among all the secure and government recognized options. But the net result is that people who wouldn't normally hear about angel investing are reading and seeing more discussions, prompting them to ask what it's all about. Well, an angel investor is a high net worth individual who provides finance backing for some small startups or entrepreneurs, typically in exchange of ownership equity in the company that with an expectation of extreme high returns. Of course, they are angels to the startup, but they have an objective of phenomenal profit that exists. Often, angel investors are found among an entrepreneur's family and friends. The fund that angel investor provides may be one-time investment to help the business get off the ground or an ongoing injection to support and carry the company through its difficult early stages. However, the best way to become an angel investor is to join an angel investment network like NRI Angels or SL Angels by Startuplanes. You can become an angel investor today. Angel investors are normally individuals who have gained accredited investor status, but this isn't essential. Essentially, these individuals both have finances and desire to provide funding for startups. Startuplanes welcome you to become an angel investor on a trial basis without paying any membership fees. You can get fixed return up to 24% per annum on your investment as well as 8 to 15 times ROI, that is return on investment, while you sell your equity in 3 to 5 years. From connecting with the best startup and the community of experienced angel investors in our angel network, we promise to deliver complete satisfaction to our investors. Now the question is, from where do angels bring capital to invest? Being rich is not the only criteria for a person to consider before investing. You may start with a small amount, that too in an installment. Your fixed deposit or mutual funds won't give you a satisfactory return. However, these are low-risk investments. On the other hand, angel investments are high risk and high return. Angel investors typically use their own surplus money. They don't leverage through borrowed funds. However, many experienced angel investors have revealed that they borrow a low rate from banks and then invest for high returns in startups as angel investors. Though angel investors usually represent individuals, the investment can also be routed through the entity that provides the funds. It may be a limited liability company LCC, a business, a trust, or an investment fund among many other kinds of vehicles. But the startup fails. How does this work? Generally, angel investors get 8 to 15 times returns on their investments within 3 to 5 years. Therefore, even if a few startups fail, it doesn't affect them. It is a calculated risk. If 3 startups out of 10 become successful, then it will be a good profit. Here is an example of a mathematical representation. Now let's assume that an angel investor is investing 25 lakhs in 10 startups. Total investment per startup would be 2.5 lakhs. Total number of startups invested would be 10. Investment period would be 5 years, but the startups that failed are 7 and successful startups are 3. The average ROI, that is return on investment, would be 8 times, and following would be the other details. This example represents that the angel investor invested rupees 25 lakhs in 10 startups, equally distributing the investment into ticket size of rupees 2.5 lakhs. After 5 years, 7 of the startups failed completely and 3 startups became successful. The angel investor lost 17.5 lakhs in 7 startups. However, the return on the other 3 successful startups covered the entire loss and turned the investment into a whopping return of 350%. This might surprise you if you don't have previous experience of angel investing. However, this is a conservative example. Generally, the case might be different. 7 to 9 of your startup investments will be successful. It will depend upon your experience of selecting the startup and of course, the mentorship and guidance that you will provide to the team of the startup with your money. Being an angel investor can benefit you in different ways, seeing it as a big industry in itself. We could go on and all the day about the endless benefits that you can gain from being an angel investor. This investment strategy can not only help you grow your net worth, but it can allow you to give back to the community around you. Here are some most thoughtful benefits of being an angel investor. First, you can grow your money, of course. When it comes to increasing your net worth, it's fully possible with angel investing. By opting for investing in the right startup, you can see massive returns on your investment over time as the company grows. You can give back to your community. We all need the ability to give to other people so that we can feel calm from inside. As an angel investor, you can also choose to give back to the entrepreneurs in the form of funds and advice. You can even opt for choosing those who are constructing startups in local town that will bring jobs to many. You get flexibility in your investment strategy. You know that maintaining your net worth doesn't happen on its own. Rather, you must be able to implement a wealth building strategy that works. When you do angel investing, you can enjoy the flexibility of writing your terms for money to invest. Plus, you can invest in startups whenever you want by simply writing a check. Being an angel investor connects you with the founders of the startup and companies. Anybody who has invested in more than 5 startups has never lost their money. Becoming an angel investor is an investment trend that has gained a lot of popularity over the last few years. If you have money to invest, you may want to consider angel investing as a key part of your wealth building strategy for future. Now I'm going to tell you few famous examples of angel investors. First is Ratan Tata. He is the most respectful industrialist, philanthropist and angel investor in India. He has also been confronted with the prestigious Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan award. He was the chairman of Tata Groups, which consists of companies like Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Tata Consultancy Services and Tata Power. His startup portfolio includes names like the Urban Company, Ola Cabs, Urban Ladder, Torque Motors, Snapdeal, PureFit, Payment, Repose Engineer, Climacell, Abra, Car Dekho, Hello Chef, First Cry, Lenskart, Nest Away, GoQ, Xiaomi, Librant, Infinite Analytics, Cash Karo, DocSpot, Bluestone, Zavni, General Aadhaar and many more. Here are some couple of angel investors who have made a fortune by investing in startups. First is Anupam Mittal, founder of People Group, which includes business like Shaadi.com, Makaan.com and Moj Mobile. Anupam Mittal is also a prominent early stage investor. He explores market in consumer internet, mobile, marketplaces and SaaS. Some of his investment are Driveys, Interactive Avenues, Ola Cabs, Dhruva, Space, Pretty Secret and Cafe Zoe. The second is Elon Musk. Musk is the CEO and co-founder of Tesla and the CEO and lead designer of SpaceX. Musk's best investment includes PayPal Holdings, includes Paycus, DeepMind, Tesla and The Boring Company. In 2020 alone, Musk had added $17 billion to his net worth and is ranked second in the list of the world's wealthiest individuals. At Startup Lanes, we provide everything an investor is looking for. We are an ecosystem of startups with a huge angel investors and innumerable startups. Contact us for becoming an angel investor. Please follow the link which is given in the description. Also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.